This will be for the con exercise, measure angles. All right, so here they want us to measure the angle in degrees, and they have the picture of the protractor. So for these problems, you want to make sure that the center of the protractor is at the vertex of the angle. All right. Now this one is fixed. Doesn't look like you could move these around or anything. But what you want to do is just subtract the numbers and take the absolute value if need be. All right. So you can either do A minus B and take the absolute value, or what you could do is put the greater number first. All right, if you subtract in the wrong direction, just use the absolute value. But I think it's easier to put the greater number first. Okay, these angle measurements are always going to be positive. So when you're subtracting, put the greater number first. It'll be easier for you. Anyhow, we can see right here, this is between 80 and 90. So this reading here is 85. And this reading right here is right at 50. All right, so you're just going to do 85 minus 50. And of course, that's 35. So you just enter 35 in the box. And the degree symbol is already given. All right, measure the angle in degrees. So now we have a protractor that covers 360 degrees. Okay, but it's the same process. We see that the center of the protractor is on the vertex, and we just want to grab the two readings here. On this side, it's right on the 60. And on this ray of the angle, it's in between 20 and 30. So what's in between 20 and 30? Well, that's 25. All right, and then just do 60 minus 25. And of course, that's just 35 degrees. All right, 35 right in the box. All right, pretty simple. We can see already it's a 90-degree angle. Make sure the vertex is at the center of the protractor. This ray of the angle is at 90. And this ray of the angle is at 0. So if you just did 90 minus 0, well, of course, that's just 90. Enter that in the box. All right, which images show a correct way to measure an angle with a protractor? Remember, we said the center of the protractor has to be at the vertex of the angle. You can see right here, the vertex of the angle is not in the center. So it's not A. On answer B, the vertex of the angle is in the center of the protractor. So B is good. And part C, the center of the protractor is at the vertex of the angle. So C is also good. All right, it says choose two answers. So make sure you don't just choose one when it says that.